Exercise A, complete these sentences with the present continuous tense form of the words in the brackets. The first one is done for you. Hurry dash outside the window. Hurry is singular, singular subject. With hurry, we'll use is helping verb and look plus ing, looking. Hurry is looking outside the window. Now, next one, Harshika. The moon dash brightly.
Ma'am, the moon is shining brightly.
Correct. Is shining. Write down everyone. Is shining. Next one, Sabhya. Sabhya, open your camera. Nia, tell me the next one. Binoy dash on the footpath.
Is standing.
Correct. Is standing. Binoy is singular. We are talking about one person here. So we'll use is helping verb. Stand plus ing, standing. Rishika. I dash with my friends.
I'm playing.
I am playing. With I pronoun, we use am helping verb. Play plus ing, playing. Correct answer. Devanshi, next one. The men dash the newspaper.
Ma'am, the man is reading the newspaper.
Sure, is reading the newspaper. Hemant, is this correct? The man is reading the newspaper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you also think is this correct? Everyone, this is the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Sarthak Singh is saying no. Why Sarthak no?
Ma'am, man is a plural.
Yes, here MA and man is the singular, ME and men is the plural. So here ME and men is written. So what is the correct answer?
Ma'am, the answer is the men are reading the newspaper.
Yes, absolutely correct. The men are reading the newspaper because MA and man is singular and the plural of man is ME and men. So here ME and men is written. So this is the plural one. So we'll use our helping verb. Yes, you can mute yourself. So we will use our helping verb. Okay. Devangi, the farmer dash in the field.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the farmer is working in the field.
Correct. Farmer is working in the field. Edith, they dash to school. Edith, you're not audible, beta. They dash to school. Edith, tell me the answer of seventh one. You are not audible, Edith. Okay, Sanvi, you tell me the answer of seventh one. Quickly, beta. Seventh one, beta. They dash to school. Sanvi. Sabha, you tell me the answer of seventh one.
Ma'am, they are going to school.
Yes, they are going to school. They are going to school. He dash in the next room. Ridhima, please open your camera. Ridhima, open your camera. Manvik, tell me the answer. He dash in the next room.
He is sitting in the next room.
Correct. Maulik, what happened? You are not doing the work. He is sitting in the next room. Correct. Done. You all have done this exercise. Ninth and 10th part. Harshika, tell me the answer of ninth one. We dash my sister's birthday. Harshika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer of ninth one. We dash my sister's birthday.
Yes, he dashed my sister's birthday.
Yes. Answer.
He,
Harshika, answer of ninth one, beta. We dash my sister's birthday.
ma'am, we are celebrating my sister's birthday.
Yes. Mute yourself. Ishita, 10th one. She dashed the rabbit in her arm.
Ma'am, she is holding the rabbit in her arm.
She is holding. Correct.
Ma'am, I am.
Now let's do B part. Complete these sentences with the present continuous tense form of the words in the box. So we have to use the verbs which are given in the helping box in the yellow box. Aradhya, unmute yourself. The first one is already done. The students are talking in the class. The man dashed toys in the shop. Second one.
Ma'am, the man is selling the toys in the shop.
The man is
The
selling.
man is selling.
Correct. Afia, tell me the next one. So we have used.
Indu.
Yes, Indu.
Ma'am, Indu is helping an old man cross the road.
Very nice. Is helping. Correct answer, Afia. So we have used helping also. Next one. Sonika Pal. I dash sandwiches.
I am eating sandwiches.
I am eating sandwiches. Correct answer. Mute yourself, please, after giving the answer. Devanshi Bhaskar, tell me the next one. The boys dash in the pool.
Ma'am, I am swimming.
Are swimming. Correct. Are swimming in the pool. Correct. Please mute yourself. Manvik, tell me the answer. Next one. Manvik, you are not writing the answers. I'll check your work.
मैम आपने इसके आंसर का इसका असाइनमेंट भेजा था.
You have already done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The lion dashed ferociously. Tell me the
The
answer.
lion is roaring.
Okay. The lion is roaring. Next.
मैम ये वाला आपने भेजा था.
Okay, Manvik. If you have done, that's good. Devangi, mute yourself, Manvik, please. The woman dashed baskets of straw.
Yes, ma'am. The woman is weaving baskets of straw.
Correct. Weaving. Mute yourself, please. Maulik, tell me the next one. The birds dash outside the window.
Ma'am, the birds are singing outside the window.
Correct. Are singing. Mute yourself, please. Shaurya Tripathi, the ship dash off the port.
The ship sail of the sailing of the port.
Beta is MR, where the helping verb is MR. We have to use the helping verb also. Now the ship is sailing.
The ship is sail of the port.
Beta sailing, ing verb. We have to use the ing verb. The ship is sailing. Edith, tell me the last one. Edith. Last one. They dash kites in the park. Edith. Ridhima, tell me the answer of last one. They dashed kites in the park.
Okay, ma'am. They are flying kites in the park.
Correct answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So we have completed both the exercises. Yes,